Atkins Civil 3D video series, Storm 2B, existing storm profiles. This video illustrates A. Setting existing top structure elevation, B. Setting existing pipe invert elevation, and C. Drawing structures and pipes and profiles. The survey points have temporarily been imported into the storm improvement drawing using the default point label style. The type, size, elevation, and depths for pipes and structures are obtained from the survey points and survey field notes. The survey points will be removed from the drawing after the elevations of the EX Storm pipe network parts have been adjusted. Zoom to a location of a pipe and pick a point. Pick a similar point. In the Properties palette, point label style. Pick the current style, topo elevation, escape. The elevation and description for the point is shown. Pick the pipe. Use Properties palette to set the start and invert elevations, 450.56. Enter, 450.53. Enter, escape. Repeat for all other pipe locations. At times, the invert is buried. In lieu of excavating for the invert, the pipe soffit is used during the field survey. Pick the pipe. Start elevation, 448.60. Invert elevation, 449.37 minus 12 inches or 1 foot, 448.37. Enter. Escape. Set existing structure top and pipe invert elevation. Pick an existing structure in plan view. Move cursor and right click. Structure properties. Part properties. Check that the reference surface and the reference alignment are correct. Check the rim elevation of 446.25, which is attained by Civil 3D from the surface. Compare that elevation to the note, which varies between 446.23 and 446.27. If desired to change the elevation, set the automatic surface elevation to false and make the change to the elevation as desired. Sump behavior, set the sump depth at 0. For the invert elevation of the connected pipes, select the connected pipes column, pick a connected pipe. The pipe will be highlighted on the drawing. The depths for the various connected pipes are obtained from survey field note and are used to compute the pipe invert elevation. The invert elevation for this pipe was computed to be 439.76, 439.35, and 439.43. Okay. For this video, 2 horizontal viewports are shown with plan on top and profile on bottom. All layers have been turned off except EX Storm, C Road Curb, EX Road Names, and C3D Profile View. After the elevations for all existing pipes and structures have been set, the parts are drawn in profile. The profile of existing storm systems that are parallel with the roads are drawn on the utility profile views, which are a recreation of the road profile views. Pick each pipe and structure in which the profile is to be displayed in a single profile view, center line, left or right. Select as many parts at the same time as desired. In the context-sensitive ribbon, pick Draw Parts in Profile icon. Pick the appropriate profile view. The storm parts are displayed. Repeat for other pipes and structures. If a non-network object is picked, such as a corrugated steel pipe end enhancement, the context-sensitive tab will disappear. If this happens, depress Escape and start over. Zoom in and pick parts, being careful not to pick an object that's not in the network. Pick Draw Parts and Profile. Pick the profile view. Escape. The corrugated steel arch pipe end enhancements are not in the pipe network. The enhancements should have been placed on a different layer, existing storm enhancement, and frozen. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.